Don't panic. The Federal Reserve increased rates by 75 basis points this week, but that does not mean interest rates have increased by 75 basis points. Back when the pandemic started, they announced the Federal Reserve rate was coming down to zero. That didn't mean we had 0% interest rates. It, however, meant that was the rate at which banks and lenders borrow money. Same thing here. We had a very high inflation report this past Friday at 8.6%, which is unfortunately still not the peak of what we were expecting to see inflation at. And market had a very adverse reaction to that on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday of this week. And as a result of that, we saw rates increase and also the cost of rates increase. Why does that happen? It's because investors purchase bonds and treasuries at a certain level in coupon form, and basically everybody's been purchasing this 4.5% coupon, and that 5% coupon still hasn't come up to date yet. And so as a result of that, you're seeing higher costs put into loans. At the beginning of this week, we were quoting several discount points in cost, and now that that announcement has been made of the 75 basis point rate hike, rates actually calmed down. So we're seeing rates kind of taper down, the cost of rates go down a little bit. However, we are anticipating, again, more rate hikes because we have not hit peak inflation yet. Remember that the way to combat inflation is to curb demand by increasing interest rates. And that's what's happening right now. However, again, it couldn't be a better time to buy because reality is supply is still low, demand is extremely high, and we want to try to get you into a home before that massive inflation comes into play, and you end up, well, really, the home prices continue to rise. Think about it. A $300,000 home with 5% appreciation means you're buying a home in a year for $315,000. If it's 10% year over year of an increase, then that's $330,000. So lock in the price right now. Let's lock you into a rate. Let's refinance you in about a year or less, because we already anticipate a recession to happen. There's no way to combat this inflation with as many rate increases you can see. Eventually, we're going to hit a recession, and when recessions happen, rates go down. If you have any questions, give us a call. You know where to find us. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. As a quick reminder, we will be closed on Monday, June 20th in observance of Juneteenth, which is June 19th. However, the federal holiday carries over to the 20th of June. Let us know if you have any questions. Send us an email to shirts, SCHERTZ, @legacymutual.com.